In this video, I'm putting copper mesh into the panel of a cabinet door. I'm doing this because these doors are going to be used for an ice maker cabinet, and the ice maker was overheating because it wasn't getting enough ventilation. I'll start by taking all the hardware out. For cutting the hole in the panel, I tried this with a jigsaw and a straight edge, but it just didn't turn out well. Table saw is going to be the best bet. It's just hard to get it measured properly. For the rest of it, I can just use a jigsaw. I overcut on the table saw a little bit here, but it won't matter because the router will hide it. Here I'm putting a decorative edge on the front face. It's fine like this, but some sanding will make it better. Then on the back side, I'll cut a 1/4 inch groove for the mesh to sit in. An angle grinder was the easiest way to cut the mesh. I'll just use a staple gun to hold it to the back. That's it. Still gotta stain it, obviously.